Welcome to Contact Solution. Today we are going to see about 15 level inverter with reduced switches and monitoring temperature on each power devices. This project have two Arduino controller. One controller is used to given to the PWM of this 15 level inverter, and another controller is used to control and monitor the temperature of all of the heat sinks, and also given to the pulses to this PWM circuit to control this DC fan. This driver transformer is used to given to the power supply of these driver boards. That Arduino controllers generate PWM pulses. That PWM pulses is given to the driver board input. That input of pulses are isolation and amplify and given to the 15 level inverter circuit. This driver board is mainly used to isolation and amplification. This controller is used to control the temperature by using these two DC fans. Load is connected to the lamp load here. This is the power supply of this 15 level inverter. This Arduino Mega controller is used to control the temperature and monitor the temperature, and also given to the PWM pulses to this MOSFET module. This MOSFET module is produced this DC voltage is coming from this 12 volt AC transformer. The 12 volt AC is converted into DC by using bridge rectifier and filter. The 12 volt DC is connected to two fans, and this PWM is given to the IRF840 MOSFET. That MOSFET is control the speed of these two fans. This transformer is used to given to the supply of this driver circuit, and this is the power circuit transformer. The Arduino Mega is connected to the computer, and open Arduino and click serial monitor. That serial monitor is shown up all of the heatsink temperatures. That is 9 heatsink temperature is shown here, and also this temperature based the DC fan is rotating. In normally temperature is 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. If turn on the power supply means the heat sink temperature also rising, so that temperature is raised means the PWM also increased and the fan speed is increased. Now switch on the power supply of this setup. The output of 15 level inverter is showing in DSO and also glowing the lamp load. This is the 15 level output of this 15 level inverter, and also this heatsink temperature is monitoring in serial monitor, and the temperature of these heatsinks all are shown in serial monitor. If any one heatsink temperature varies means the fan speed also varying. Thanks for watching this video.